Binary is the language of our computer, so any data that has been inserted inside that machine is converted to binary so that the computer can understand. In this video, we will convert binary, which is in base 2 format, to decimal. Before we jump in, you need to know these values. 2 to the 0 power is 1, 2 to the 1 power is 2, 2 to the 2 power is 4, 2 to the 3 power is 8, 2 to the 4 power is 16, 2 to the 5th power is 32, 2 to the 6th power is 64, 2 to the 7th power is 128, and 2 to the 8th power is 256. The first example will be the simplest example ever. 1, 0. It's not 10, it's 1, 0. So let's convert this binary format to decimal. The first value is at 2 to the 0 power. The second value is at 2 to the 1 power. Now, 2 to the 0 power is 1. 1 multiplied by 0 is actually 0. 2 to the 1 power is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is actually 2. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So this binary format is actually the binary format of number 2. So a best practice is, whenever you see a 0, you just can't ignore it. Because when you multiply this value by 0, it will be equal to 0. So it is useless. That was just an introduction. Let's go for 1101. The first value is at 2 to the 0 power. The second value is 2 at 1 power. This value is at 2 to the 2 power. The last value is at 2 to the 3 power. As I said, we forget about the 0 because they're useless. Right over here, I'll write 2 to the 3 power plus 2 to the 2 power plus 2 to the 0 power. 2 to the 3 power is actually 8. Plus 2 to the 2 power is 4. Plus 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is equal to 13. Now, this binary format is the binary format of number 13. Okay, what if I gave you a binary number with a decimal point? Let's say 10101.101. Okay, we know that this is at 2 to the 0 power, 2 to the 2 power, 2 to the 4 power. We know that after 0 comes negative numbers. So 2 to the power 0 is right here. After it comes 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 3. So we forget about the zeros. And I put an X on them. And now I'm gonna write down here 2 to the 4 power plus 2 to the 2 power plus 2 to the 0 power. 2 to the 4 power is 16, plus 4, plus 1, plus, and what do you think 2 to the minus 1 power is? Well, if 2 to the 1 power is 2, 2 to the minus power will be 1 of 2. If 2 to the 3 power is 8, 2 to the minus 3 will be 1 of 8. If I calculate 16 plus 4, it will be 20, plus 1, it will be 21. So I'll write 21. Now 1 of 2 is actually 0.5. But what is 1 of 8? Well, if you do it on the calculator, you'll obtain 0.125. So that means 0.5 plus 0.125. If we add those together, we'll obtain 0.625. So I'll write over here 625. And this decimal number is actually the decimal number of this binary format. Now this example is without a decimal point. What if I gave you 101101? Let's convert this binary format to decimal. 2 to the 0 power, 2 to the 1 power, 2 to the 2 power, 2, 3, and 2, 5. I'll write them down over here. 2, 5 is 32. Plus 2, 3 is 8. Plus 4 plus 1. 32 plus 8 is 40. Plus 4 is 44. Plus 1 is equal to 45. And so we found the decimal value of this binary format. So far it seems easy. So let's convert two different binary numbers now. Let's start with 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1. Pause this video and do it on your own, then come back for the answer. So we have first 2, 0, then 2, 1. Now let's add those numbers up. 128 plus 64 is 192, plus 32 is 224, plus 8 is 232, plus 3 is 235. And we found out that this binary number is 235. So that was the first exercise. Now let's do the second one. So we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, point 1, 1, 0, 1. Again, pause this video and do it on your own. We have here 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. And here we have 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 4. If 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 of 2. If 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 1 of 4. And if 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 minus 4 is 1 of 16. So let's add those numbers. 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 1 is 23. 1 of 2 is 0.5, 1 of 4 is 0.25, and 116 is 0.0625. So let me add those numbers up. So 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.0625, and we'll get 0.8125. So 23.8, 1, 2, and 5. And this is the correct answer. And this is it on how to convert binary to decimal. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon. Also, you might want to check out how to convert decimal to binary. So click on that end screen and I'll see you there.